Alright, so we're looking at percentage composition by math in chemistry. Alright. Alright, so let's look at how to calculate questions on percentage composition by math. The question says, let's question one. We're taking like 5 questions on this. So this is question 1. Alright, the question said, what is the percentage composition by mass of calcium, oxygen, and chlorine in the compound below? Very simple. Alright, so how we do this, the formula for this is to look for the mass of the atom or the substance over the molar mass of the compound, over the molar mass of the compound. Right, you can have this, we're good to go. Right? So we can solve this by looking at the mass percentage composition. Percentage composition is the mass of the atom or substance over the molar mass of the compound times 100 over 1. With that, we can get the percentage of each substance or each element or each atom in the compound. So the question says, what is the percentage composition by mass of calcium? So we're looking for the percentage of calcium. Right? For that, we look at the mass of calcium. So it looks like calcium over the total compound, which is what? Ca bracket OCl2 times what? 100 over 1. How do we do that? Calcium naturally is 40 over 40 plus bracket oxygen is 16 plus chlorine is 35.5 times 2. Right? So if we take it, it looks like this. All of them times what? 100 over 1. Just read the line here. Yeah, the name is Ben, but straight to. Right. So look at that. We have 40 over what? 40 over 40 plus, if we add that one, we're going to have 51.5, right, times 2. That's for everything at the denominator, times 100 over 1. Take it a bit further. I think we're going to have 40 over, if you add everything, I believe you're going to have 143 times 100 over 1. Right? So if you do the math, we're going to have 27.97. Alright, so we do 40 times 100 divided by 143. We're going to have 27.97. So this one is the percentage composition. This guy is the percentage composition. Of what? Of calcium. Yep, that's for calcium. How about for oxygen? I'm sure you know that oxygen is a gas, so oxygen exists as a molecule. So for oxygen, so if we want to do percentage of oxygen to be O2, that gives us what? O2 over what? Over the compound, which is what? Ca times OCl or 2. That gives us what? 16 times 2 over what? Over 40 plus 51.5. There's the point here, times 2. Right? So multiply that by 100 over 1. For oxygen, percentage of oxygen, we're going to get what? We're going to have that's 30 what? 32 over 143 times 100 over 1. And if we do that, everything is going to give us 22.37%. Are you seeing it now? That one now is for is for oxygen. And the answer for oxygen is that. How about for this is our answer for oxygen, and this is our answer for calcium. Right, let's look at the one for calcium. The same thing. Calcium is a gas, right? Sorry, chlorine. Let's look at the one for chlorine. Chlorine, as we know, is a gas. Chlorine, we know, is a gas, so look for the percentage of chlorine. It exists as a molecule. That will give us what? Chlorine, Cl2 over what? Over the compound, which is what? Which is Ca bracket OCl or 2 times what? Times 100. So if we do that, the percentage of chlorine give us what? 35.5 times 2, that's for chlorine, over 40 plus what? Plus 51.5 times 2, right? Yeah, times 100 over 1. And if we take it a step further, we're going to have what? We're going to have 71 over 143 times 100 over 1. Therefore, our percentage composition of chlorine gives us what? The chlorine we're going to have 49.65%. Right, that's for chlorine. Alright, so for us to be sure that what we are doing is correct, we add them up to see if they will give us either 100 or 99.9 something. It gives us, we're sure that it's correct. So the first one there is the one for calcium, percentage of calcium plus the percentage of what? Of oxygen plus the percentage of chlorine. So if we add them up, we have 27.97 plus what? Plus 22.37 plus 49.65. If we add them up, we're going to have 99.97, and that's approximately 100%. So this is how to solve questions like this.